I'm Wayne Dolcefino. I'm president of Dolcefino Consulting, and I've helped a lot of these families because we investigate cases of family injustice. Look, I know this is a pro forma thing. Y'all have to do this. You're doing it. But there's a problem, folks. There's a big problem. I'm not exactly sure where it is, and I know a lot of you are public members, right? You're working within the system you have. But I've heard horror stories, especially from family courts all over the state. There are judges who should have been removed a long time ago. Barbara Stalder is a classic example. She is ruining people's lives with protective orders. It has become a forum for people who want to shop for a protective order, who come to Houston for the reason to get a protective order from Barbara Stalder. Just last week, you guys issued a public reprimand against Brittany Morris. Judge Morris should be off the bench. The whistleblower in that case, the person with all the documents, was not even interviewed by any investigator. This is becoming a joke. People are filing complaints against judges and then having to deal with those same judges. I know we don't want to make a system where you just file a complaint and you get out of court, but the other is true too. You have people in small towns all across the state who file complaints and then are stuck with the same judge. You know what's going to happen. We all know what's going to happen to these people. No disrespect, but this is becoming a joke. You know, personally, I was arrested by Judge Darrell Jordan, right, for contempt. You guys dismissed my complaint. 3 weeks later, a grand jury indicted him for official oppression. Regular people, these people, but not just these people, regular people see the difference. They see what you are either refusing to see or just can't see. Appearances, people have to have faith in this system, guys. People have to have faith. And if you continue to ignore blatant allegations of improper conduct, impartiality, if you continue to ignore it, then people will lose faith. And that's not good. You have a district judge on our panel here. He doesn't want that in his court. Nobody wants that in any town in Texas, but it's happening all over. And you might dismiss it if it's just a few people, but it's not. I'm being contacted from all over the state. There's a problem in Tarrant County. There's a problem in Harris County. There's a problem in some small towns. There's got to be a change of the standard of review, and there's got to be a change in the standard of punishment, because it looks like a slap on the wrist. People are watching, and they're seeing this is not working, guys. This system is just not working.
Thank you, Mr. Delcia.
My pleasure.